Team M.A.R.S proposed Sanraksha application with a motive of corruption-free India.
First few pictures that comes in your mind when you listen about corruption. That is police,
politics,
black money, and the list goes on.
What if one has to report a crime on off-duty hours?
That is at late night when you find helpless to reach yourself police station.
Need to report a crime of your society.
But either you are suppressed by your family member.
Too busy on daily routine.
Well, like this problem.
I, Manish Singh, and here is my team member.
Ruby Singh.
Sort of, sir. Introducing the solution of all the above problems, our idea Sanraksha is mainly on corruption and also integrated with Digital India and women empowerment. Now let's talk about our idea. In this app, we have added many more modules to reduce the corruption and to make India digitally advanced. Like in our first module, we have added transparency in FIR. This is very helpful for low class as well as middle class public. In this, we are trying to reduce the corruption in police department, as the public face a lot of problem to convince officer for investigating their FIR, and they waste a lot of time and money, but no output they got. In this app, no need to go anywhere. Victim can directly intercommunicate with related officer who were involved in that particular case. All the chats are confidential and it is protected with 2-layer password security. Victim can also make a group conversation between investigating officers and TI. Now in our second module, that is to report a crime. In this, we try to reduce the crime rate and to help police as well as public. If any crime is going on and somebody has taken any video or pictures, but that people is having fear of going to police station to inform about that crime or by some busy schedule, at that time he can directly give the crime report through this app in a couple of seconds. Now in other module, we have added abduction case or emergency case. If somebody has kidnapped someone or any woman need emergency help but no one near surrounding. By this app, in a single click, he can take help from nearby police. It works on GPS and our app will automatically send help notification with exact location. This model is good for women who are going somewhere in night and somehow followed by unknown person. Now next module is traffic related problems. In this, we have added all types of problems where corruption is involved and where public faces a lot of problems. Some are traffic accident. Approx 2% of people in India die by the road accident due to not getting treatment in a proper time. When we see any fatal accident, we call to 108 and explain details, location, etc., which takes a lot of time to reach at the spot. But by this app, you can inform nearby ambulance in a single click and automatically send details with exact location of a spot. It works on GPS. Now, next is fine payment. The fine which is taken by the public, somehow it doesn't reach to the government fund, and sometimes public faces problems of paying more amount than by the government policy. Through our app, we are trying to reduce these illegal activities. User can directly pay all types of fine directly through our app without giving more money, and these all fines are directly credited to the government fund, which will be utilized in development of country and making India more digital. Many add-on features are there which you can see details in our PPT.
The idea is to entrust human beings with respect towards police administration and automating police officer work so they can find more way to help citizens. The main theme is to bring transparency in police work as much as possible to root out of corruption.
You can also check feedback given by higher authority of police and government officials. You can see in next video link. Thank you.